تحصل الاشكاليه هذه لازم تتفضل. ما فيش مظاهره ثانيه.
انت حضرتك شايف ان احنا مش محترمين مثلا؟
فاهميني؟ انا بقول ايش؟ طبعا
هو حضرتك مصري؟
لا مش مصري.
منين؟
شرطي.
شرطي؟
انا بكلمكم على اساس انه ايش تفهموا انه داخل المكان طبعا الرجال على
في حضرتك ممنوع من الدخول دلوقتي.
انا مش
هو بيقول لنا التعليمات يعني.
برنامج 7.
اوكي يعني ننتظر حد ساعة.
يعني سيادتك بتوقف كل واحد وتكلمه ولا لازم تدخل على طول؟
هل ممكن ندخل ولا مش
لحظة
ممكن؟
واحدة.
اتفضل.
على العموم
اتفضل.
تدخلوا هناك تستمع الكلام ما فيش مانع. طبعا يعني
ونسأل برضه.
لا لحظة
يعني هي مدرسة؟
ساكتين مؤدبين؟
لحظة.
اوكي.
بس احنا مش داخلين نتعارك ولا داخلين بسلاح ولا؟
Is somebody... Is there an instruction for people to get in? Because I don't understand his Arabic, in a matter of fact. It's a different dialect, and I'm not very fluent in Arabic. Somebody has an instruction for those who gets in and participate in conference? Huh? A security officer? The gentleman here is with you guys? The Arabic speaking personnel? Because he's given instruction I cannot follow. So I want to make it clear. There is some restrictions. I couldn't understand. What's his name?
This officer over
Yeah.
here, this detective?
Yeah, what's his name?
This detective is Nasser.
Nasser?
Yeah.
Nasser?
Yes.
Thank you.
Does this mean you don't have anybody inside?
You allowed people to get in. Okay, but you allowed people now as a friend of ours to get in. واحنا مش كافرة ممكن نخش نصلي برضه. أنا بصلي الفجر حاضر. أنا بصلي الفجر حاضر.
People want to participate in the prayer. Do you have a problem, sir? Yes.
أنا بصلي
Thank you.
الفجر حاضر. أنتوا ليه فاكرين إن أنتوا بس اللي بتصلوا؟ أنا كل يوم بصلي الفجر حاضر. ليه فاكرين إن أنتوا بس اللي بتصلوا؟ بطلوا الأفكار دي.
I'm not arguing with you.
Okay, can I pray? Can I pray now?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Salman, let's go.
داخلين نصلي.
Yeah. I'm going to Salman Command.
حلوة بالكاميرا ولا ايه؟
زي الفل.
100
بس مصر أحلى.
نعم؟
مصر أحلى.
مصري احلى؟
طبعا مصر أحلى من أي حد.
والله؟ يعني على العنصرية الخطيرة.
العنصرية إنه يحب مصر أحسن؟
عنصرية.
هو حضرتك منين؟
عنصرية.
أنا فاكرك مصري.
عنصرية مبارك.
أنت منين أنت؟ أمال بتتكلم ليه دايلكت مختلف؟
Take your camera off. Make salah. Excuse me.
لحظة. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me.
هو قال لي الناس بتصلي. قلت له
الساعة 7 الساعة 7
احنا جايين نحضر الندوة. هو قال دلوقتي الناس بتصلي. قلت له لا بصلي.
الإعلام خرج. يا دكتور مش عايز تقابل مصريين ولا يا دكتور؟ لا برافو عليك.
أنا كيلر.
لا فوق نطلع فوق نسألهم.
7 تعالوا 7 ببلش الندوة. أنا عارف يعملوا مشكلة.
هو الراجل بيقول اتفضلوا.
لا الساعة 7 لو سمحت 7 o'clock 7 أبو عمر 7 الساعة 7
Listen.
What's going on? Why are you doing this?
We're not gonna do this.
Why are you doing this?
Listen.
The guy got violent. No. Don't do that, please.
Sir,
Don't do
I'm giving you a
that.
lawful order to disperse.
Go ahead.
Okay? We're
I
telling
am
you,
giving you
you're
a
not listening.
lawful order to disperse.
All right, I understand.
Okay.
I'm dispersed. Can I ask you a question? This is...
Disperse means leave now.
Leave.
Let's go. It's a lawful order.
That's
We wanna
all.
keep the peace.
All right.
Please leave
That's
now.
all.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much for
sir.
your cooperation.
Have a good night. So that's not dispersion. That's
No. They told us we can get in at 7 o'clock.
Well, I'm giving you an order to disperse because I have to keep the peace right now. So I don't care what they said.
I haven't
I'm
done
saying
anything.
what I'm saying.
Tell me.
Put this thing down.
Tell me.
Put the thing
Tell
down.
me.
I override
I'm telling
that.
you want to go in. You're not gonna be. Listen. Hold this, please. Don't take this and try to get in. That's not gonna go.
Why are you getting excited? I am very calm.
You're not listening.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
If you wanted to go inside,
Yes. Can we use our camera?
Listen, no, you can't take the camera because you're getting attention here.
What?
You're going in because you're taking pictures of everybody. You're gonna piss off everybody.
I'm not pissing off anybody. I'm a
Obviously,
peaceful
you're dead.
person, and I
You're
want.
dead.
I'm sorry.
You're drawing unnecessary attention.
No
You're
need
gonna
for
go
that.
inside and just listen.
like everybody else without a camera, fine. But
This
but,
is
but wait, no, just
documentary,
listen to my
officer.
point.
Go ahead.
You're not listening to me. You're waiting to see. Listen to reason, because I'm really being reasonable with you. Okay? If you go in there with a camera and you're holding it like that, it's like Sesame Street. One of these things don't belong. You're different from everybody else. You're drawing attention to you.
Can I ask you a question?
Did you
Let
listen
him
to
finish.
me?
I understood exactly what I said. I'm
Okay, go
proposing
ahead.
something.
Go ahead.
If I turn off the light, would that make any
No,
attention?
you're missing the point.
What is the point?
The point is everybody else is going in there to listen and ask questions calmly and disagree or agree calmly.
Officer.
You're going in there with a camera and automatically you're putting yourself in a position where it's almost like offensive.